Collecting customer data is crucial to being successful in an industry. Still, many businesses fail looking for a platform that can be flexible enough to adapt several form types to their company's style. But with the tool we are showing you now, failing to find the right candidate will be a thing of the past. In today's video, we will show you a platform that is excellent for creating surveys for any type of company called QuestionPro, a web-based, simple-to-use application that allows users to create and distribute surveys. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. The platform is a wizard for writing survey questions, an email or website distribution mechanism, and tools for evaluating and viewing your survey results. You can simply create your surveys and send them to a list of possible responders through email or put the survey URL link anywhere you like. All responses will be collected and recorded by QuestionPro, making the results immediately accessible. You can keep ahead of your competitors by receiving fast feedback from players without interfering with the gaming experience. This demands simplicity and accessibility. QuestionPro research software allows you to connect with and comprehend your players' thoughts and feelings. The platform allows you to collect valuable feedback while also providing an efficient survey experience. With continuous quality insights, automobile brands can innovate faster. In addition to understanding the consumer's voice, QuestionPro's best-in-class solution helps your brand learn how to improve the customer experience. The cutting-edge consumer experience program measures real-time customer perceptions of dealership sales and services. As a result, corporate ODM, field managers, and dealership staff can better serve customers and deliver on brand commitments. Besides, you can resolve consumer issues before they escalate. The interactive problem-solving tool tracks user countermeasures and enables users to discover and address problems quickly. In addition, contingency plans are tracked by their ROI. QuestionPro believes in a holistic program approach, combining automotive research knowledge and a top-notch online reporting platform, including a team of analytic experts to assist consumers with their obtained insights. With QuestionPro's fan experience feature, you can listen to your fans and sponsors and better communicate with them. The innovative online member experience platform can help you utilize vital fan and partner feedback, letting you create custom groups and put your data to use. You can also map your fans' journey to see what inspires them at each stage and unify data and take action. Additionally, employees and supervisors can collaborate to develop strategies, making your clients happier and meeting all expectations. A QuestionPro academic license for the most outstanding survey and research software is available at an affordable price. In addition, QuestionPro knows your institution requires a complete survey and research solution. With academic licenses for universities and educational institutions, you gain access to all the best features used by enterprise research clients. To make software solutions intuitive, QuestionPro has created a platform that is easy to use and scalable to your needs. QuestionPro also provides easy-to-use analytic tools for study visualization. In minutes, you'll have powerful survey tools to develop, send, and evaluate surveys. Plus, you can import data from your old survey software into QuestionPro. The platform also routinely conducts webinars and training sessions for users on new capabilities and designs more complex surveys. QuestionPro has over 10 million global users of online survey software. QuestionPro is also an excellent survey platform because it perfects surveys, research, and data collection. The platform's substantial analytics emphasis also helps organizations make better judgments. ResearchGov Cloud is a robust market research platform with enterprise survey and online panel management features. In addition, the company provides HIPAA compliance for its clients. Also, all federal clients' data hosting is FedRAMP compliant. All survey data collected on AWS-hosted databases are secure and validated. ACL allow you to regulate access to sensitive data by individual, time, and place. QuestionPro also supports AWS Gov Cloud for high-volume secure data collection. After granting network access, the platform processes applications and reports access. The tool's Pro's complete product and service line, including Gov Cloud data collecting. QuestionPro partners with you to offer unique experiences and unforgettable moments, from a single survey to detailed research, customer experience, and staff satisfaction. QuestionPro CX works with businesses to learn about their customers' perspectives on their experiences in the travel and hospitality industries. Closed-loop feedback allows you to track the path taken by your consumers at various stages along the way, providing you with actionable data in real time. Sharing client input with other departments is also an excellent way to improve the customer experience overall. When a consumer clicks on the NPS Plus button, you'll be able to discover the root cause. This way, your guests can focus on the experience while taking care of your business. Everybody can utilize QuestionPro surveys because they're simple and accessible. Then your real-time data may be built up, sent, and analyzed as needed. Did you see how flexible and extensive this survey platform can be, applicable to almost any type of company? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy QuestionPro services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other industries can benefit from using QuestionPro. With an in-depth knowledge of the customer, product, brand, and employee experiences, you'll be able to cultivate long-term partnerships. Data-driven solutions from local credit unions to significant banking institutions can drive development and innovation across the omnichannel financial journey. When you have the appropriate information, you create unforgettable experiences. In addition, you can motivate your staff and strengthen relationships. The platform allows you to use conjoint, max diff, sentiment, heat map, turf, and many more analysis approaches to provide you with correct information. Furthermore, you can use external analysis tools like SPSS or integrate your research with existing business systems. Additionally, export high-quality data from your database. The security controls, policies, and procedures of QuestionPro are regularly reviewed, developed, and strengthened to satisfy national and international requirements and regulations. Your real-time data can be turned into valuable insights for executives, frontline and support personnel, clinicians, and patients. QuestionPro complies with all vital data privacy and sharing legislation. This means that your clients are equally responsible for transferring, keeping, and handling sensitive healthcare data following HIPAA. The platform's real-time survey dashboards allow you to access data and insights when receiving your first response. You can send a quick health screen test to your staff, vendors, or visitors using contactless surveys. Meanwhile, the tool processes security policies, procedures, and controls to protect all information and data provided by patients, employees, and stakeholders. QuestionPro has a safe solution for your needs, from performing HIPAA, GDPR, CCPA to Section 508 compliant surveys. You will use the account manager's knowledge and technologies to deliver experiences based on valuable insights, increasing engagement and revenue. You can also acquire complete business research data using automated and real-time survey approaches, as well as assess market drivers such as competitor intelligence, purchasing behavior, and pricing sensitivity using the provided data. You can track and measure consumer happiness with your brand, business, and initiatives using real-time customer satisfaction survey tools. According to a PEW research study in 2019, the legal cannabis industry in the United States is worth over $13 billion. As the cannabis sector develops, it will become increasingly important to assess the prospective market for consumer trends, collect customer feedback on in-store experiences, and manage employee experience from the farms to the counter. As a result of more than 100,000 people attending QuestionPro panels, the cannabis sector can quickly and affordably gain access to crucial insights and viewpoints. Start creating amazing surveys to collect essential data using QuestionPro by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.